this is a forest I made out of moss and other types of moss. The moss have been suddenly dead. So this is my forest. My forest actually used to be a mine. My forest used to be a mine. And this is the mine. So these used to be support beams. And they collapsed on this mining site, which did not have a good ending. So we got sets of so the mining set was sitting down here, and then lightning set the mine. Then these support beams collapsed, and the mining set was in there when it collapsed, which is very sad. So that's my forest. So my forest is for lumber, and I have some forest lumber sets that I set these seeds down with. So that's basically what this forest is for. And I just put a little slabs mine there, so it looks so in the background in my other videos. And to fade. That's so. Every once in a while, I do put leaves in here, so it look good. And I am working on something around here that you can't see yet. Besides, it's right here. I said to you. This is supposed to be mountains. This is like a mountain with a save in it. And hopefully it looks good. And this over here is my farm. So my farm is some feet with shed and a barn and an emerald fan and a tornado shelter. In case of, EF5. So you can put tractors underneath there. And sometimes you can put tractors in the barn if they are shiny enough. And in the barn, we have a door for the barn. So that's good. And over here, if you're wondering why there's so much dirt that have been the reason why there have been dirt the soil stuff with fence in it, so it's stop the dirt up, since we don't want fence. We only want fence in the barn. I mean in the farm. Not like that. So this is my sawmill here. So this is the saw, which is a lot, but it's a saw. So you put logs in here, then it sets it. Then the lumber set It's his money. So I stood. And in the backyard, there's a whole bunch of seas and like this one area that is so slippery. It's just so slippery. I don't know what I should build here, but I saw what I should build here. So look, it's so slippery. Like, look how slippery that is. You like will fall. So this is the end of the video. Comment what you want me to build in the next video. So